Well, what do we have here? Bixby version 4.0. That's the new Bixby. Fun fact, it already runs on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, but with this update, they are now pushing it also to the Galaxy A series. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy A phone, go inside the Samsung Galaxy Store and just check if you have this update. Now, some of the new things that can be a game changer if you are using the help of AI Assistant. First things first, there are really some nice new features. Maybe long overdue, but right now, Bixby finally got a brain update and it gets a bit more natural with natural chat. So you can ask questions and chat freely with Bixby, enjoying a more natural and engaging conversation experience. Bixby will now remember conversational context, making interactions feel more fluid and natural. Info on demand, get answers on any topic from general knowledge to local search without needing exact keywords, which is something I'm gonna try. Device help, that's probably one of the best things you can do, and I know some of you said, oh, it was there before. I know, but right now you can get Bixby to turn up the volume, turn down the volume, put on your Bluetooth and do some fancy stuff, also restarting your phone. Multi-step actions, complete complex tasks with a single command, like adding game reminders or getting directions to events on your calendar. And fun fact, last but not least, we have the conversation history, review and continue recent conversations anytime. Now this version is 88 megabytes and the latest one is 4.0 708. Now how do you check the version that you have? Alright, so just search for Bixby, click here, alright, click on the cogwheel, scroll down, alright, so if you have this version like me, 4.051, then most probably you have a Samsung Galaxy S26 phone or whatever. Nevertheless, I'm still going to update it and I'm going to try to run some tests. In addition to this, Bixby is also getting installed on your washing machines and refrigerators if they're produced by Samsung. So maybe in the not so distant future, Bixby can tell you, hey, you're out of milk, or you finish your beers in the fridge, you need to get some. Anyway, let's try to see now what Bixby can do for me, and before I engage with the side button, I just want to click here because, again, yes, these things here, red dots, they always mean new things. Try the new Bixby, and this is exactly what we're going to do. So, personalized guide based on my device, alright, so I can interact with my own words and stuff like that. I can ask anything, and I'm going to have conversation history, and I like it. The messages from the Bixby operation team. It's like BOT. I mean, you don't know about BOT. They're kind of cool. I'm joking, of course. Never heard of them. Hey, Bixby, how are you, my friend? What the heck?
Synonyms for the word hate include despise, loathe.
What the heck, Bixby? That's not what I asked. One more time. Hey, Bixby, how are you, my friend?
Hello. I'm doing great. Thank you. I'm always here and ready to help whenever you need assistance.
Cool.
How about you? How can I help you today?
So now what I don't really like is the fact that if I need to respond back, I need to click here. Anyway. Well, what is the latest iPhone from them iPhones? Can you check this for me? Oh, that's a pretty lame question. Let's see if it's going to know.
The latest iPhone model
Oh, okay.
2026 are the iPhone 17, iPhone Air, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max released in September.
Okay, now, to check if Bixby is aware about the context, I'm gonna ask another question and then see if it remembers my first question. Hey Bixby, are we going to the moon anytime soon?
That's an exciting question.
What?
Currently, there are no confirmed plans for regular public travel.
Okay.
However,
But it's giving me information about NASA Artemis program, which is not that bad. Alright, now, let me ask Bixby this. Hey Bixby, what was the first question I asked you today? Jesus,
I don't have any data to search for.
Yeah, Bixby now remembers conversational context. Alright, let me try something else. Hey Bixby, what is the latest Zelda game?
The latest Zelda game is The Legend of Zelda, Echoes of Wisdom.
Okay, now to check if it can really follow the context and it's aware. Can I play this on a PC? What the fuck? No, man, no. Can I play this on the PC?
Sure.
What the heck, man, Bixby? No. Hey, Bixby, what is the latest Zelda game?
The latest mainline The Legend of Zelda game is The Legend of Zelda, Echoes of Wisdom, released on September 26, 2024.
Okay, now, can I play it on my PC?
The Legend of Zelda.
Alright, I guess this context awareness somehow works, and the natural chat, etc. So now let's get info on demand. So get answers on any topic without needing exact keywords. Distance to Mars.
The distance from Earth to Mars.
All right, I mean, this is pretty basic. Okay, now let's ask a how-to question. How can I increase my brightness?
You can increase your phone's brightness.
All right, and I'm gonna ask Bixby to do it for me. Can you increase my phone's brightness to 100%? Yeah. Oh, okay, Bixby. Yeah, not bad. Restart my phone.
Are you sure you want to restart your phone?
No, not really. No, not really. Don't restart it. Turn my volume down, please. Turn my volume down to 50%. Okay, not that bad. And there was this other thing that's called a multi-step action. Hey, Bixby, create a reminder for me to buy the latest PS5 released game and also send out an invitation from my email to my friends. What the heck is this? Okay, now send this reminder to my friends. Sending the reminder. Who the hell are my friends? I mean, how does it know? Sending the reminder to your friends. I don't have a group or something like that. It's thinking. Analyzing your screen locally on your device. Oh, okay.
Your permission to continue.
I'm gonna allow it. Now what the heck?
You don't have permission to send messages.
All right.
Please enable permissions in the messages app.
I would say that this is a positive test. One last thing. Hey Bixby, can you turn on Now Nudge for me?
I cannot directly turn on Now Nudge for you, but I have found relevant information on how to enable and use this feature with the updated Bixby on compatible Samsung.
Yeah, this is what I want to do. Like, it's here, right? Use natural language. So I just want to say turn on Now Nudge. Turn on Now Nudge.
You cannot directly turn on Now Nudge on your device.
All right.
You can enable it manually.
Okay. Anyway, guys, this is the new Bixby. Like it or not, it's here to stay. Now powered by Perplexity. There are some other things that you can say, like turn off power saving mode, how much time to reach the nearest coffee. Let's try this. This is cool. Close all background apps. What the? Oh my god, this is not bad, yeah. Change the display mode to dark. Alright, okay. Change the display mode to light.
I changed the display mode to light.
Yeah, did you? Alright, you didn't, man. Why are you joking with me? No, you did not. Change the display to light. Alright, man. Come on, what the heck is... You're not, I mean, come on. Anyway, this is the new Bixby, guys. No. What? Refuse sexual content? What the heck was this? Sexual content? I mean, what the heck is like Now Nudge? What the heck is happening, Bixby? There is no sexual content. Hey, Bixby, can you turn on now? Oh, nude. Okay, I get it. Oh, it felt like nude nudge for me. All right, Bixby. Okay, anyway, but all my charts are here, guys. So, yeah, you know, language and voice style. You have these languages.
Hi. My name is
Slim Shady. Languages you can see a lot. Yeah, not so much anyway. And you can always download the language pack and create your personal voice creator. This was it. If you find this video useful, you know what to do. Yeah, download Bixby. Stay safe. See you over and bye.